The same camera's on sale for $179.99. I could have got a black one. This is a silver one. I gotta use this camera. I'm probably gonna fix the other camera, or I'm gonna buy another that camera. I like that camera. I think the sound's better on it, but the quality's not as good. So this is a Kershaw knife. I forget what series it is, but it was dirty. It didn't work too well, so I took it apart and cleaned it. The thing's like trashed inside. That's what I need, a T8 and a T6, I believe. Torx. And the assembly is pretty easy. You have your outer shell, then you had this, then you have the plastic spacer. Oh, you got the spring too. The spring goes in there somewhere. Get a little bushing. You have your actual blade. There's a bushing, don't lose that. There's another bushing behind there, and that's pretty much it. If you take that off, you can get the other side off as well. But yeah, we're fixing it up. You need to put Loctite.
After sailing in the regatta, Senator Kennedy stopped off at his hotel in